Hey, if you're like me, you're excited about Black Friday because that's when Rob goes shopping for Rob. I happen to get an advanced copy of the Rockler Black Friday flyer. There are some great deals. Let me show you some of my favorites. The Convertible benchtop router table is one of my favorite new tools from Rockler. And ordinarily, you don't get a bargain on a new product like this, but during this holiday sale, it's going to be $50 off. That's really a good deal. Here's a bright idea. Now, I know that a lot of folks don't think about things like lighting for Black Friday, but it's hard to overstate what a difference these bright LED lights can make in your shop. And for example, this 3,000 lumen bulb, ordinarily almost $18, you're going to be able to get it for less than $10. Hairpin legs may be one of the easiest ways there is to make a piece of furniture. All you have to do is screw them onto a flat piece of wood, and you've got a desk or a table. It's great, and they're going to be 50% off on Black Friday. If you, like me, have tried to hook up various hoses to different dust collectors and vacuums and been frustrated by it, then this universal small port hose kit is a real lifesaver. And guess what? This is another one that's 50% off. If you're thinking of getting into CNC routing, now is definitely the time to do it. There's two versions of the HD5 that are going to be on sale, and they're going to each be discounted by more than $1,000. And each of them will include this mini fourth axis system that's worth $500 in and of itself. That's a really great deal. You know, when I think Black Friday, I think saving big money on big purchases. And that, for woodworkers, means power tools. Now, some of these power tools are going to be as much as 20% off on Black Friday here at Rockler. And one of my favorite deals is this jet miter saw. It's going to be $200 off. It's a brand new tool. Type-on glue for half price, that's a deal that'll stick with you. So ordinarily $13.99, and it's going to be on sale for $6.99. I'm going to buy 3 of them. I haven't found these anywhere in the flyer, but these mountable dust hose couplers are brand new products from Rockler. You can mount them to your bench top or to the wall to create a simple dust hose connection anywhere you want it. It's a great idea. So that's it. I've done my scouting. I know exactly which products I'm going to be buying. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. I'll be here first thing on Black Friday morning. Meet me here. You bring the coffee. I'll bring the donuts. See ya.